Okay, some glasses are throwing down for tenderism. So I want to make butter. Let's get into the video. You know me, you know how black people get down. I'm gonna reuse this, and I don't have a marble, but they say put something hard inside. The girl had a marble that I seen. I'm gonna put this pecan in there, so that's all I got, and I wash it. And the only ingredient you will need is heavy whipping cream. So we're gonna put this in here, and I'm gonna leave it to right here because I need some shaking room. And we're gonna shake and shake and shake and shake. Let me see what time it is. Hey, Cam, what time is it? What time is it? 21? Okay, it's 6:21. Let's see how long it takes me. I'll be back once something happens. If you had a blender, this would be easier if you had a cake mixer, but we don't, so we're going to do it with our hands. Guys, it is 6:25 and it's starting to get thick. So, as you can see, the color has changed a little bit and it's starting to get a little thick. This is what it's looking like. You see it has filled all the way up to the top. This is what it's looking like now. It's starting to separate now, guys. We keep shaking until we get buttermilk. It's turning into buttermilk. Let's keep shaking. It's turning, guys. It's turning. Let's go. Look at my butter, y'all. Look at my freaking butter and buttermilk in this container. Look at my butter. Okay, guys, our butter is ready. It's separated. The buttermilk is here as well. And we're going to pour our buttermilk into a glass, and we can use this to make bread or whatever else you want to make. And I wonder if I shook it a little bit more with more butter. No. Okay. Oh, it turned into a cute little ball, though. Okay, let's. And then they say take it and put it into cold water. Oh, look, it's so cute. Okay, we're going to put it into this cold ice bath. Spatula, take my butter ball out, and it's hardened. It got hard, y'all. No homo. I'm gonna take this much and I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna leave this regular smegular. I might make it into garlic butter later. I'm gonna put a little bit of cinnamon into this container here because I want it to be fully incorporated. Then I'm gonna take some honey and put it in here too at the bottom. And then I'm gonna take my butter clump ball and I'm gonna put it. Oh, it's so creamy. I need help. Stuff like this is so fun to me. I'm like a kid in a candy store when it comes to this. So I'm just going to mix everything into my bora. Add our brown sugar to the party. Brown sugar, babe. I think 3 of these little spoonfuls is enough. Back so I can show you guys my normal natural review on how it tastes. So let me get my toast together. All right, y'all, let's finish this. So we have our toasty roasty here. It's a little crispy. Let's use this one for the butter with the cinnamon on it. So we're gonna scoop a little bit of our cinnamon honey sugar on this toast. It's so velvety. It's so smooth for real, y'all. All right. Oh my word. It tastes so good. Is this thing on? Yes. Oh my god. Karen, come taste it. Oh my god. It tastes so freaking good. That is the cinnamon. Don't eat all of it. Mm. Mhm. We're gonna try regular. Mm. This is just a regular one. Y'all, the milk actually tastes like milk. Come on. This is good. I ain't even gonna yeah. Okay. No. You can tell me later. I'm gonna go bananas in this rock shaker.